Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers and my students. Welcome to the new episode of Mathsnatic. Today, inshallah, we'll be discussing exercise 2.1 of algebra, making sense of algebra. I've already told you some of the rules, some of the laws, and some of the examples I have solved you on this board. So we'll be proceeding to exercise today and be doing some questions relating to that rules. But before going to the exercise, I'll request you to please like me, subscribe me, and share to your fellow students. So let's get started. Now, question number one. What is the question number one over here? Question number one, exercise is 2.1. Exercise 2.1, algebra. Now it says that rewrite each expression in its simpler form. Rewrite each expression in its simpler form. I write you, rewrite each expression in simplest form. So what is the given over here? In question number one, part A it is very easy that it is written 6 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So my dear students, what I told you that x sometimes mix up with the multiplication sign. You see that x is mixing up with this multiplication sign. So we have to omit, as per law, we have to omit this multiplication sign and this multiplication sign from this expression. So what we get here is 6xy. This is the simplest form of this expression. Though this is also right, but as per law, we have to write like this, not like this. Okay. Now, what is the question number B? It is same as it is C, but D. D. 2y. 2 multiplied y multiplied y. So, dear students, have you noticed something? That this y carries one index and this also carries one index. That means both have the power of 1. Okay. Now what we do here is that 2 will be written as it is. Now we have to omit the sign of multiplication as well. Multiplication sign will be omitted. Let me do it in 2 steps. Now what it is like this, but we don't write it like this. We'll write it 2y. Now you see 1 and 1. If I just rub this one y from here, I have rubbed this one from here. You can put y plus 1 because multiplication sign was in between them. So what it becomes square. Mind it that this square is only for this y, not for this 2. Okay, I told you in my last lecture. There are some interesting questions also here, like I 6 divided by x. Now what does it mean? It is very simple. what we studied yesterday was it will become 6 divided by x. It's very simple. Now there is a question which needs to be simplified as well. Because we have to write it in the simplest form. And the question is J. J says that 4x divided by 2y. 4x divided by 2y. See what's happened here. 4x divided by 2y. Now you see that this 4 is being divided by 2 as well. So we just simplify it to 2. So what will become 2x divided by y? This is the simplest form. Some more questions. Rewrite each expression in its simpler form. And now very interesting question is coming up. See, this is part number L, question number 1. M multiplied by M divided by M multiplied divided by M. M multiplied M divided by M multiplied by M. Very interesting question. Let me solve it for you. You see that first of all we have to omit the signs. Then we have to consolidate these three m's into one m only. So how will we do it? M 1 plus 1 plus 1. What does it become? 3. Now the division sign will be changed like this, and again m 1 1 2 m's. Now you see that when the multiplication sign was between the same bases, we added them. Here we added them, here we added them. But what will happen when the bases are same and these are being divided? So what we do here is we do m3 or m cube minus m. Now this will become minus when it will go upwards. Now the only answer left is m. Simply saying that these two m's are being crossed with these two m's. So the only answer left is m. Now I am doing few parts from question number 1 because the exercise is lengthy and we don't have much time to spend here. So R is our final for this question number 1. 4 multiplied by x. 4 multiplied by x. You see that this is the same problem. It is multiplied and it is mixing up with x somehow. And it is divided by 2 multiplied x, 2 multiplied x plus 4 multiplied x. Now this is a very interesting question. I am seeing it. Now what we do here, is we just omit this sign. Okay, apply the rule, BODMAS rules over here. So multiplication will occur first. 2x plus 4x. Okay, now you see that the variables are same, they have same powers, that is 1. Variables are same, powers are same, then we can add them. Cause you can add this duster into dusters, not into the pens. Okay, you can add these pens together but not with the dusters. So the same variable can be added if and only if they have same powers. Now this power cannot be added together. Now if it is 1, it is 2. Now this cannot be added. So what is the outcome over here? 4x is divided by 6x. Now the last step, 4x is divided by 6x. We can simplify it further. Now this x will be crossed with this x, and 2 times and 2 3 times. Now the final answer will become as 2 upon 3. Now question number 2, exercise 2.1. Let the unknown number m be m. Write the expression for. Let the unknown number be m, then write the expression for. The sum of the unknown number and 30. The sum of unknown number, which is m, and 30. The sum of unknown number is m. It is given. Unknown number, let the unknown number be m. Now this is given. And in A, he says that the sum of unknown number, now this is unknown number, and 13. Now this is the whole answer. B is same but with different English words. It says that unknown number exceeds by a number that will exceed the unknown number by 5. But it is the same. The difference between 25 and unknown number. The difference between 25 and unknown number. Yeah. Now you see, you have to follow the English words. You have to follow the English words, English sentence. He is saying the difference between 25 and the unknown number. 25 and the unknown number. You cannot write it like this. This will be wrong. This is difference between m and 25. He is saying difference between 25 and the unknown number. Now 25 minus m will be the required answer. Just keep an eye on the English sentence. The unknown number cubed. Unknown number cubed. Simple. Now there is an interesting part. This is the interesting part. These were these were the easy parts. Now this is the interesting part. He says, what does he say? A third of the unknown number plus 3. The third of unknown number. The third of unknown number B. Where is the unknown number? This is the unknown number. And the third is this. One third of the M. And what is the next part? Plus 3. Plus 3. Now this will be complete. You can write it in this fashion also. M divided by 3 plus 3. Now this is again a very interesting sentence written. The book says 4 times the unknown number. 4 times the unknown number. I remember that we did this sort of question in our last chapter, last lecture. 4 times the unknown number. Now this is 4 times the unknown number. 4 times the unknown number. What is the second part? And less twice the number. Now which is the twice the number? This is 4 times the number and this is twice the number. This is twice the number. When this is 4 times, this is twice. Now you have to subtract it like this. 4m minus m minus 2m. This is the whole expression. Now you see, just as we did it in our first question, now this can also be simplified further. You see that the variables are same, powers are same, so we can subtract it. 4 minus 2 is 2 and it will remain as it is. 4, 2m. Now we'll proceed to question number 3. Now question number 3 states that question number 3 states that, what does it states? Let the unknown number be x. Write the expression. It is just same as question number 2, or we will be doing some of the part from this also. 3 more than x. Now in the last question the unknown number was m. Now the unknown number is x, and what we have to write is 3 more than x. In part A, 3 more than x. 3 more than x. Now this is 3 more than x. 6 less than x. 6 less than x. Not x less than 6. 6 less than x. 10 times x. Now 10 times x is 10 times x. The sum of minus 8 and x. The sum of minus 8 and x. The sum of minus 8 and x. The sum of unknown number, a number which is twice x. Now f. It is the interesting part. A number which is twice x more than x. Now a number which is twice the x is 2x. Now the other part, the last part, is a number which is twice as more than x. Now more than x is this. Now this will become 3x. Remember that what I told you, that when nothing is written over here, it means it is understood that 1 is written over here. Okay. Now you understand that 1 is written over here. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and I told you that when variables are same, powers are same, you can add. Now 2 plus 1 is 3x. A fraction obtained when double. Now G is again a interesting part. Now what does it states? It states that the fraction is obtained. Now you see, we have to work on a fraction. A fraction is obtained when double the unknown number. Now this is the number, we have to double it. Now double means multiplied by 2. Now what does double mean? Double means multiplied by 2. Now this is x, or you can say, you can double it like this, x plus x, or you can double it like this, 2x. These both are valid, because this is single and you just want to double it, so you just add the same quantity as the first, so it has been doubled. Or the easy way is to just give it a twice number. So double the unknown number. Now this is double the unknown number and is divided by the sum of unknown number and 4. Is divided by sum of unknown number. Now this is the unknown number and 4. Okay. Now this is complete. Now dear students, we'll proceed to question number 4. Now this is somewhat practical question. Question number 4. And what is the statement over here? A CD and a DVD cost. A CD and a DVD cost dollars. How much dollars? X dollars. Cost X dollars. A CD and DVD cost X dollars. Now the price of both is X dollars. CD and DVD cost X dollars. Try to get all the information from the English sentences that a DVD and a CD and a DVD cost X dollars. Now, what is he asking about this statement onward is A. A is if CD costs. Now CD has cost. What does the CD cost is $10. Now what is the cost of DVD? Very simple. It is very simple. You see that CD has been purchased for $10. The total amount was X dollars. The total amount was $10. Oh, X dollars. Let me do it in a numerical form. Suppose a CD and DVD costed $25. A CD and DVD cost was $25. and I purchased a $10 CD. What is left? $15 are left. So you can manipulate this example into this. The unknown number is X, and we have already purchased, so the remaining amount be the cost of DVD. The remaining amount is the cost of DVD. Part B, same statement. A CD and DVD cost $X. Now the statement and the question is somewhat different. Now if the DVD costs 3 times the CD, if the DVD costs 3 times the CD, what is the cost of CD? Now you see that he has played with us. The author has played some game with us. If the DVD cost, now DVD cost is 3 times the CD. DVD cost 3 times the CD. That means if both things were purchased for the $4, the $3 bill was for the DVD and $1 bill was for the CD. So, but we have to do it in the unknown number. You see, if I do it like this, that X divided by 4 is the cost of CD, then what will be the cost of DVD? The DVD will be cost 3 times this. So 3 times this means this. And if I just add the both, we have to come across the unknown number. You see how we come across the unknown number? 4 and 3x plus x gives us 4x upon 4. It becomes x. So the unknown number, the question is this. The answer is this. The DVD has cost us, now in this, the DVD cost is 3 times this number. The number of this is x upon 4, which is the cost of CD, and we have also simplified it to get it checked. Now the last for this is if CD costs. Now if CD cost is $X minus 15. Now this is the cost of CD. What will be the cost of DVD? You notice that in the first part, the CD cost was $10. What was the cost of DVD? It is just the same question, and you see that it has written in another way in English. So the cost is $15. The DVD cost is now $15. $15. Question number 5. A woman is M years old. Now there is a woman which is M years old. M years old. Now what are the questions? How old will she be in 10 next time? Now question number 5. A woman which is M year old. Now what is the statement for this question is How old will she be in next 10 years? How old would she be in next 10 years? Just add 10 in the age of, now this is the answers, m plus 10 years. Okay. How old was she? How old was she 10 years ago? How old was she 10 years ago? Just subtract 10 from the from her age. Her son is half her age. Now her son is half her age. Now her age is m years and the age of her son is m by 2. So this is the age of her son. This is the age of her son because she is m years old and the half of age is m by 2 years. So this is a very simple question. Three people win dollar prize. If they equally, how much will they receive? Now last question is coming up for today's session is question number 6 and I am going through it very quickly. Three people win a prize. Three people win a prize. How much was the prize? Dollar P. Dollar P. Now three people has won a prize which is dollar P. So what is the question? If they share the prize equally, how much will they receive? So it is very simple. They are three. You just divide the whole price with 3. Suppose they have got $3 and each will get $1. Okay? Is it okay? P divided by 3. Now this is the share of each person. Suppose P is equal to 3 and P divided by 3 is $1. The second part of this question is little tricky. Now, what is the statement given here is if one of the people wins 3 times, if one of the people wins 3 times the other two. Now, it means that we have to divide the whole amount into 5 equal parts. Now, this P has to be divided in 5 equal parts. The 3 goes to one person, 1 goes to 1% and 1 goes to 1%. It is very simple. Now first we have to divide this P dollars in 5 equal parts for B. P divided by 5. Now the other 2%, not the person which is getting the 3 times, will get P by 5 each. That means the 2%. The 2% will get P by 5, the second person and the third person. Now the second person will get P by 5, third person will get P by 5, but the first person will get 3 times this smallest share. Now what will be it? 3 divided by 5P. Just as I told you that we have to divide the whole amount, let us say it is $5 now. So we have to divide it in 5 equal part. That means $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. So $3 will be given to the first person, $1 to the second, and $1 to the third. Because this is 3 times the amount of this, 3 times the amount of this. Okay, it was very simple. So it's time to say sign off now. Just try this exercise in your home, on your notebooks, and don't try to and forget to subscribe my channel Mathsnatic. Mathsnatic, and also push the bell button. See how good I am in drawing as well. I have studied technical drawing. So don't forget to push the bell button. Ta-na-nan. Allah Hafiz.